Hello YouTube, this is Too Many Boys here, and I have sad news. Justin Thomas has been passed away and terminated from YouTube, gone. But why? Justin Thomas is obviously my friend, the one he makes DVD openings with Mario and Boo, DVD menu walkthroughs, plush shows, Beyond and Go animate videos, and so many others, but sadly, he was still no longer for this entire channel, but that means, he can not take this anymore. I am so sorry Justin Thomas, I guess he never come back for this channel, forever, so, goodbye, Justin Thomas. I'll miss you.